Ma Durga. Goddess Durga is depicted as a warrior woman with 8 hands carrying weapons of different kinds, assuming symbolic hand gestures that represent her teachings. Chakra in her first upper right hand symbolizes duty. Conch in her first upper left hand symbolizes happiness. Sword in her second right lower hand symbolizes eradication of vices. Bow and arrow in her second left lower hand symbolizes character like Lord Ram. Lotus flower in her third lower left hand symbolizes detachment. Mace in her third right lower hand is the symbol of Hanuman and symbolizes devotion and surrender. Trident in her fourth left lower hand symbolizes courage. Fourth lower right hand symbolizes forgiveness and her blessings. Durga Ma is depicted as riding on a lion or a tiger. A tiger symbolizes unlimited power. Durga riding a tiger indicates that she possesses unlimited power and uses it to protect virtue and destroy evil. The lion is a symbol of uncontrolled animalistic tendencies such as anger, arrogance, selfishness, greed, jealousy, desire to harm others, etc. And her sitting on it reminds us to control these qualities so that we are not controlled by them. She is usually shown wearing a red sari. The color red symbolizes action and signifies that she is destroying evil and protecting mankind from pain and suffering. Birth of Ma Durga. Goddess Durga was created to combat the evil demon Mahishasur. The trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiv came together to create a powerful female form with 10 arms. When Durga emerged from the waters of the holy Ganga as a spirit, she was given a physical form by all the gods put together. Her face was created by Lord Shiv and her torso crafted by Indra. Her breasts were made by Chandra and her teeth by Brahma. The lower part of her body was made by Bhudevi. Varun sculpted her thighs and knees, and Agni created her eyes. Thus, she was a supreme power created with a combination of the powers of all the other gods. So was born Goddess Durga or Mahamaya, the great mother of the universe who ensures creation, preservation, and destruction of evil forces in the universe. Then the gods gifted her their individual blessings and weapons. Armed like a warrior, the goddess rode into battle on a lion. After a fierce combat, Durga finally slew the demon king with her trident. Heaven and earth rejoiced at her victory, and peace was once again restored to the three worlds. The word Durga in Sanskrit means a fort or a secure and protected place. Another name for Durga is Durgati Nashini, which means the one who eliminates suffering. Her name thus indicates her role as the one who protects her devotees and removes evil from the world. Incarnations of Ma Durga. Goddess Shailputri. Goddess Shailputri is the first manifestation of Goddess Durga. She holds a trishul in one hand and a lotus in the other and rides a bull called Nandi. Goddess Parvati was born as the daughter of Himalaya, and in Sanskrit, Shail means the mountain. Thus, she is known as Shailputri. Devotees offer pure ghee on the foot of Goddess Shailputri. It is believed that by offering pure ghee, the devotees are blessed with a life free of diseases and illness. Goddess Brahmacharini. The second day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. The goddess walks bare feet with a Rudraksh mala in one hand and a sacred Kamandalu in the other. The meditative form of this goddess symbolizes Goddess Parvati when she engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiv. Goddess Brahmacharini is offered sugar for the longevity of the family members. Goddess Chandraghanta. The third day of Navratri is of Goddess Chandraghanta. She is a fierce, 10-armed goddess with a crescent moon on her forehead, which gives her the name Chandraghanta. She rides on a tiger to destroy all evil and wicked. The ferocious goddess is pleased with kheer. She is known to drive away all pains. Goddess Kushmanda. Chaturthi, or the fourth day of Navratri, is of Devi Kushmanda. The name Kushmanda is derived from three words: Ku, that is little; Ushma, that is warm; and Anda, that is egg, which means the creator of the universe. Devotees offer Malpua to Ma Kushmanda to improve their intellect and decision-making ability. Goddess Skandamata. Goddess Skandamata, who is worshipped on the fifth day, is also known as Panchami. Skandamata is a four-armed deity who carries a lotus in two of her arms with a sacred Kamandalu and a bell in the other two. She also carries a little Kartikeya on her lap, and because of this, Kartikeya is also known as Skand. She is seated on a lotus. Bananas is the favorite fruit of Goddess Skandamata. Goddess Katyayani. The sixth day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Katyayani, who is a form of Shakti. Also known as the warrior goddess, Katyayani is considered as one of the most violent forms of Goddess Parvati. She has 4 arms and carrying a sword. She is the daughter of sage Katyayan and rides on a lion. Devotees offer honey as prasad to Devi Katyayani. Goddess Kalratri. Saptami, or the 7th day of Navratri, is of Goddess Kalratri. As per legends, she sacrificed her skin color and embraced a dark complexion to kill demons. She is a 4-armed deity who rides a donkey, carries a sword, a trident, and a noose. She has a third eye on her forehead that is believed to contain the entire universe. Offer jaggery as prasad to Devi Kalratri for relief from pains, obstacles, and bring happiness. Goddess Mahagauri. Durga Ashtami, or the 8th day of Navratri, is dedicated to Goddess Mahagauri. She is a 4-armed deity who rides on a bull or a white elephant. She carries a trishul and damaru in her hands. Goddess Mahagauri is offered coconut by devotees. Goddess Siddhidatri. The 9th or the final day of Navratri is of Goddess Siddhidatri. She is projected as a 4-armed deity sitting on a lotus, holding a mace, discus, and a book and lotus in her hands. This form of Goddess Durga signifies perfection. Sesame seeds are offered to Devi Siddhidatri for safety and security from unnatural events. Hands and weapons of Ma Durga. Durga is depicted as having 10 arms. These represent the 10 directions in Hinduism. She protects her devotees in all directions. In each of her hands the goddess wields a different weapon gifted by the gods for her to fight against evil beings such as Mahishasur. In one hand, she holds the conch shell gifted to her by Varun, god of the sea. In other two hands, she holds the bow and arrow given to her by Vayu, the wind god. In other hand, she holds the thunderbolt of Indra, which can destroy anything it strikes without being affected. In yet another hand, she holds the lotus, a symbol of spirituality and steadfastness. In other hand, she holds the Sudarshan Chakra or the discus of Vishnu, which can destroy evil forces no matter how powerful they are. In her other hands, she carries a long sword and Brahma's Kamandalu or a pot to carry holy water. In her forearms, she carries Shiva's all powerful trident, which is the weapon that provides the final death blow to Mahishasur. Eyes of Ma Durga. Like Shiv, Mother Durga is also referred to as Triambake, meaning the three-eyed goddess. The left eye represents desire and has the peace and calmness of the moon. The right eye represents action and holds the power of the sun. And the central eye is the all-knowing eye with the ability to burn with its power of fire. Vehicle of Ma Durga. The mother goddess, as a symbol of unrivaled power, has one of the most impressive vahans or vehicles. Often depicted as a lion or lioness, this animal is strength and power personified and the undisputed ruler of the jungle. The lion is thus the perfect vehicle for the awe-inspiring and all-powerful goddess. Durga stands on a lion in a fearless pose called the Abhay Mudra or gesture of no fear, which is a sight that can fill any demon with utmost dread. Thank you.